Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. This is going to be a very quick video on the Streamlight Tlr 7, but this also includes the 8, the 9, and the 10. So here's a tip on how to install this light without scratching the mounting screw. So it comes with an install tool, and this part is to change out the switches if you want the low switches. And then on the side here, this is the E-clip install and remove tool, and that E-clip goes on here. And if you want a further video, I have several other videos that you want to check out on our channel, but this is specifically because not a lot of people know that there is a little tab here on the other side of this install tool designed to unscrew and screw back down the mounting screw. And what a lot of people will do is they'll go for a metal screwdriver or a quarter, and it scratches this screw up. So now it doesn't look very good if they decide to keep the product, and then if they return the product, now we have to sell it as open box / damaged. So this is just a nice little tip and trick that install tool on this side is for the mounting screw to unscrew and tighten back down. I hope that helps. Please check out our other videos at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Use code YT10 for 10% off with free shipping on our Tlr 8s, 9s, 10s, and this 7A Flex. Thank you for watching.